Additive manufacturing is changing product design. Organizations are producing parts that could never be manufactured before, and existing parts are being better optimized to meet the requirements of their product designs. But it is done using a disconnected, multi-step process leading to inefficiencies and errors. Creo solves this problem by enabling users to design, optimize, validate, and print all within a single environment. What you design in Creo is actually what you print. Out of the box, Creo gives you direct integration with industry-leading 3D polymer printers, such as Stratasys and 3D Systems, enabling you to understand material usage and build time. It also enables you to manage printer drivers and profiles for 3D polymer printers in the Materialize library. And with the Creo Additive Manufacturing extension, designers can create parametrically controlled lattice structures. This enables you to optimize your parts to meet a variety of design requirements, including structural, weight, and cost. You can even optimize them to meet multiple requirements simultaneously. Additionally, you can manage, track, store, and reuse your print jobs all within Creo. This includes the ability to auto-position and nest multiple components to save time and money. The Creo Additive Manufacturing Plus extension for Materialize further extends these capabilities to include 3D metal printers in the Materialize library. This also includes the ability to easily generate customizable support structures without leaving Creo. With Creo, organizations can move to a true design for additive manufacturing process, designing, optimizing, validating, and printing all within a single environment. Creo. Design the way it should be.